Guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, this video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone because my smartphone is also unlocked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. So I will show how you can unlock your smartphone by sitting at home. You don't need to go any service center, you don't need any computer application, and you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. Within 2 minutes I will unlock your smartphone. Okay, so be with me this video for the every step what I'm going to spell you out in this video is most important. So firstly, main thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30% before starting this unlocking method. Okay, if your phone is not charged at least 30%, it means you're going to lose all your data from your smartphone. So before starting this method, at least charge your phone 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, and the main thing is that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then don't worry at all. You may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. So let's start this video. Firstly you can this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode. Now you can see here my phone has been already on airplane mode, and if your phone is not on airplane mode, simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you will get a option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's flight mode like this. Now your phone is on airplane mode, it means your phone's all the network has been switched off. Now simply you will have to go with the emergency SOS option. When you will click on this emergency SOS option, your phone's dialing pad will be activated like this. Now you will have to feed a special USSD code, and the USSD code is star has 899 then hash. And when you will click on this emergency when you will feed this number star has 899 hash, a new page will be appear on your phone display like this. You will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. And when you will go with this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device others option, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here you will also get a 5 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option. Simply you will have to go with the option of a read write important lock test option at the second number. Okay, simply when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. At the second time you will have to again cancel this option, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this option, you will have to go with the OK button. Okay, and when you will go with this OK button, it means your phone has been completely unlocked. Okay, but the very last step is most important to follow this. Simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Okay, now when you will come with this device debugging option, now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 3 type of option, 1 option or 2 option. Okay, so don't worry at all the option will be showing their operation not started. Simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message. So I am going to click on this option. You can see here test has been started, test failed, test has been started, test failed, test has been started, and test passed. It means a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check? Simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button. Okay, now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. So be with us for the next upcoming videos. Thank you so much. See you in next videos.